What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today I'm installing the rear strut bar. I already started. As you guys see, my car's a mess, but I'm gonna install it, and yeah, it's pretty easy. The one that I have is a pain in the ass to do it, I'm not gonna lie, because the ones that you could normally see, normally do one where it's detachable. When you put that, like the inserts over there, you can detach them, put them on, and then it'll tell you where the hole is. So this one I kind of had to like figure out where the hole was, but it's not that hard. All you really got to do is take off the carpet panel. Wow, my camera is terrible. Take off the carpet panel, kind of get like a blade, kind of like this one. On every hole, kind of make a hole, like poke it through so you can see where it lands on each side also. So yeah, but I'm installing the strut bar. The strut bar was on Andy's car. This was on his IS. I just, made it a little bit better. I painted it blue because it was like the CNC color, like it was a CNC, and it was like, it had its scuffs. So I painted it blue with the middle insert in black. I know it says Toyota, but I don't care. It looks nice, and it's got good history behind it, so I don't mind. This one, they don't make this one anymore. This was made by IS300 Nations, if I'm correct. But yeah, they made only a limited run. Yeah, they stopped making it before I even had my car, so I couldn't get one. I've always wanted one. And once Andy was like, yeah, I'm selling it, Hector bought it, then Hector sold it to me, so I'm happy I finally got it. But yeah, I'm installing it, and it's not that hard really. All you gotta really do is take off the carpet. As you guys know, there's push pins on every little place. You gotta take those push pins out on both carpets. You're gonna need a 14mm socket, deep socket, so you can get the bolts to the strut tower right there. And yeah, so guys, I'm gonna keep trying to do this. I already, as you saw, I already tightened that side. I am doing this side, and it's still a pain in the butt. But yeah, that's me just kind of figuring it out. But yeah, I'm just trying to take off these bolts, and it's hard again. I think I might have tightened it. But yeah, guys, so let me take off these bolts and I'll show you where I'm at. Alright guys, so when I was trying to put it on this side, it was hard. I remembered that Hector told me to lift up the car so the wheels are a little looser, so it's not putting all the pressure on the wheel. So that's what I did. I lifted this side up, and I took that side off again, and I made sure for it to go evenly in. So now I'm just putting the bolts in on each side, and I don't have a 14 socket. I'm too lazy to get one right now. I'm gonna get one on another day, but I do need the car, so I am using a little I am using a wrench to do it, and sadly it is gonna scuff it up. But this is on the inside, so you won't really see that, but it's a good thing. But yeah, that looks raw, I'm not gonna lie. I like how that looks. So guys, I'm gonna try to finish install it. I'm gonna tighten it down, put the carpet, and then we'll see how everything is. Very sorry for this video being so short. It's not that hard of an install. It's just a little not complicated. The only complicated part is cutting the carpet so everything goes in well, and trying not to expose too much and not damaging the carpet, which I think I might have done, but whatever. Oh well, I don't care. If anything, these carpets are dirt cheap at the junkyard. So but yeah guys, I'm gonna finish tightening everything up, and I'll get back right to you guys. If it's true, wow, I am soaked. That's moist. Wow, okay. But yeah guys, that's how it is. I'm gonna put all this garbage back little by little. It's too hot for this, oh my god. But yeah guys, that's how you install a strut bar on 2001 to 2005 Lexus IS300. Alright ladies and gentlemen, I had to go inside for a sec to get some water, but let's see how this turned out. Oh. Damn. Don't worry about the mess. Damn. That came out nice. I'm not gonna lie, I like it. It's like you open it and you see it, it's like, okay, that looked raw. But it's like, it's got its purpose. I still gotta figure out about those holes though. But yeah, that looks sexy, I'm not gonna lie. And I love how it's blue, so like, once I start doing more stuff that's blue, it'll match with the body. But yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that type of stuff. As you guys, I need a shower. I'm like nasty. Till next time, peace out.
just